In today's video, I'll show you how to create availability schedule in Calendly. By default, Calendly gives you one set of working hours, but once you start booking different kinds of meetings, you'll want separate hours for each. That's exactly what a schedule lets you do. Let's jump in. I'm logged into Calendly and sitting on my scheduling page. Everything to do with when you're free lives over in the availability section, so that's where we're heading first. Here we are on the availability page. Right at the top, you can see the schedule I'm currently looking at, which is called working hours, and it's my default. Underneath that, Calendly shows me the hours themselves, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, with the weekend set to unavailable. Now here's the part that trips people up. There's no separate new schedule button on this page. Instead, you click the name of the schedule itself, up here at the top, and that opens a little drop-down. And there it is. The drop-down lists every schedule I've got, and right at the bottom is the option to create a brand new one. I'll click Create Schedule, and Calendly pops open a small window asking me to name it. Now I'll give it a name. Calendly suggests things like working hours or exclusive hours, but honestly, just name it after what you'll actually use it for. I'm going to call mine Client Calls, because these are the hours I want to keep open for calls with clients specifically. And I'll hit Create. And that's it, my new schedule is live. Notice Calendly starts it off with the same weekday 9 to 5 pattern, and from here I can change any of these hours to whatever I want, completely independently of my default schedule. One thing worth pointing out, you'll see a little note saying to apply this schedule to at least one event type. That's Calendly reminding you that a schedule on its own doesn't do anything until you attach it to a meeting type, and you do that over in the event type's own settings. So that's it. Head to Availability, click your schedule name at the top, choose Create Schedule, give it a name, and hit Create. Now you can set up completely different hours for different kinds of meetings. Happy scheduling, and I'll see you in the next video.